that one's that, and this one's this. Up a bit, a little more. That's too low.
That's where it will.
Yeah, I know. Alright, hold it right there. There.
That does look like a cross for you.
Yeah, take it out, but like I say, that's as high as that side will go.
Yeah, I know.
Take it right out.
Yeah. It don't seem right. It seems.
Because this is too low. Stick your head in there and have a look.
Yeah, no, take that, put that screw back to the point where you got it.
Yeah. Oh, and this? Tilt it up. Well, thread's in fine.
And this one thread's in fine.
Take your emergency brake. Driver in there.
Now we need, okay, we don't have. Take your pin, put it back in the hole here.
Yep. Find that true. You got that for a sec? I'll grab the other thing.
Need the round.
This gold thing.
No, not yet.
No?
Where's that? That other one.
This?
No. That goes on. I'm pretty sure it goes on here. On this side, don't it? Pretty sure here. Look.
That's the adjuster.
Then
Yeah.
Then your what's called goes in.
Okay.
Just hold it. I'm going to check to see if it's on the right side. I'm thinking. I'm pretty sure it is.
This is why you keep your other side open and intact. Alright, it's in my hand.
What one?
This one.
Okay. Perfect. That goes on there, and that hole, and the other one. Come on, you. Oh yeah. Okay. Need to clean this out.
Okay. So this doesn't fit through the hole of the adjuster due to rust. There, she fits now.
That's why she wouldn't go in there. Here you go.
Right here.
What?
That's the bottom one.
Yeah, I'll put that in once I deposit.
And then your other ones are right here.
Yeah, I don't want to use that one. I want to use the other one. These ones are better.
Oh, she shifted.
Oh. They screwed up on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's not even through that.
No.
That's through the bottom.
Exactly.
Oh. Take that one. And probably give me a new one of them. One right here.
No, right here.
Right here. Better keep a new one. Yeah. There. Who won't put on there? He's too close to the.
Yeah, you gotta line it up.
Yeah, I
can only hold it.
Yeah.
No, not that low. the brake shoe. Align it. Put it where you want it and I'll hold it.
Probably right there, like that.
Yeah, just like that. Just like butter. Yeah, she's on.
Now, you take a new one of these, and you put it up here.
Big side up, little side down.
Unless they did it wrong.
No.
Okay, now what we'll do, that one.
Take our other two. Ouch. Putting our other pin in.
Yeah, we don't have to put it right in place right now.
Don't move your finger.
Okay. I don't know why they put that on that one. Well, same way. They did it wrong.
Yeah. What's the new?
Extra.
Same thing, you're gonna have to line it somewhere. This one doesn't have the, you're just driving it through, you gotta line it up first.
Yep, I got it right there.
Okay. Yeah, it won't go into position until you start adding springs and stuff.
Should. I know what we did. I forgot.
Oh, the middle.
Yep, don't matter.
Yeah.
I told you them.
After your first shoe, you add this, or you can add it now. Either or.
No, that's what you had first.
No, hold on. Well, move it in like this.
Yep.
Right.
Yep, there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Make sure she lines into the grooves there. That's actually going to come up a bit.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll have to look here. One of the springs goes on first.
Once again, double checking.
Put it in there.
Here goes first. Vice grips.
Easier.
Yeah. Clip this onto there. Reseat it. There we go.
Yeah. This one here.
This is the one that you had to keep. Weird shaped one.
Looks like that.
Put her onto the top of your adjuster there. Take your vice grips. Same thing, drive that home. What we recommend is you kind of tap that down best you can. Make sure she's nice and tight, otherwise she'll come off. See right in here, if you go in this way, you can tap that blue one in a little bit. No, in underneath. Yep. And now you can do that one.
Pretty sure that's down there. Yeah. Now,
That one goes from there to there. That's for the bottom, was it? This one here loops in there. And then onto this spot here. A lot of grief. There. See? Connect into that.
good.
And then we have one more that goes into the bottom, but we got to put our adjuster. We got to go and clean this up first. So we'll be back. So we've got that adjuster all cleaned up now.
Right there. It was in there, right? That's
Yes, yes.
Goes
The adjuster.
adjuster.
Yeah. Sorry about being so dark. There's a groove there on the other side. He's trying to line that up. And like I say, it'll come tight once you add that spring. Damn battery's dying.
Goes in and there.
Yeah, one goes in behind.
You sure?
Yeah. Into this spot here.
I didn't think there was one in there.
In behind there.
Here.
Yeah, I know, I just knocked her out.
That's okay. Just put a hooker in that one. Is it in that one?
Yes, no?
Yeah,
Bit-
it
bit-
is. It goes on the back side
Yeah.
behind. Yeah, haul that down there. Goes up next one, I think.
Nope, that one there.
Sure?
Yeah. Alright, and the adjuster.
Yeah, you can put that in there, but you can put that in later. Adjuster.
Yeah, I just want to get them in the same time if I can. Alright. Alright, if you come over this side,
Yeah,
I'll move. I'll need this to put it in. This spring here might be a little difficult, so you gotta snap onto it, pull, and snap them off and take that screwdriver and drive that home. There. And that's her. That's how you do the brakes. And you just add your drum, your new drum. And like I said, we're gonna clean this all up with parts cleaner.
Tight up here, right?
What's
You
that?
gotta keep these tight.
Yeah, make sure everything is lined.
Lined up here.
These shoes fit here, and everything's kind of centered. And then you're good to go. And always, before you seal her up for the day, even though they're new parts, it's recommended that you spray them all down with brake cleaner. They're packaged with